Next question number 4 in non-verbal reasoning. See, here we have 5 figures. What is the relation among these figures? First figure, we have one triangle, and second figure, triangle and square. In figure C, triangle, square and one circle. Okay, next figure, triangle, square, circle and minus sign. Next figure, triangle, square, circle, minus, plus. So relation is new symbols are added in each step in a set order. So next figure is triangle, square, circle, minus, plus, and add one new symbol. Add one new symbol. See options: triangle, square, circle, minus. Triangle, square, circle, minus, plus, into. So option 5 is correct. Next question number 5. Here we have 4 figures. See first figure. In first figure we have one vertical line. Next figure, one vertical line and one horizontal line. Okay. Next, in figure C, 2 vertical lines and one horizontal line. In figure D, 2 vertical lines, 2 horizontal lines. So relation is vertical and horizontal lines are added alternatively and in a set order. So next figure is 3 vertical lines. Okay. See options. Option 3 is correct. 3 vertical lines and 2 horizontal lines. Next question number 6. In problem set, we have 4 figures. See, first figure, triangle, square. Next figure, triangle, square. Third figure, triangle, square. Figure D, triangle, square. Okay. But changes are, positions are different. Okay. See, in first figure, square. Square is here. In second figure, square moves one step. One step. It means it moves off a side. Okay. Off a side. Next, in figure C, square moves off side. Okay. So positions are, so position is here. Okay. Next, in figure D, square moves one step. Okay. Here one step means off a side. Okay. So position is here. Okay. Next, in next figure, square moves one step off a side. So square is here, corner. Okay. Next comes to triangle. Triangle, it moves off a side. Okay. Next, in figure, from figure B to C, it moves 2 offs. Okay, one off is here, next off is corner position. Okay, in first figure triangle moves one off. Okay, one off. In from A to B it moves, A to B it moves one off. Next from B to C it moves two offs. Okay, next from C to D it moves 1 1 2 3. Okay, so triangle is here. Okay, 3 offs. So next figure is triangle moves 4 offs. Okay, so 1 2 3 4. So triangle is here. Okay, see options. Option 1 square, triangle, but triangle is reverse direction, so 1 is wrong. 2 wrong. 3 square is okay but triangle position is different, 3 wrong. 4 wrong. 5 square, triangle. Okay, option 5 is correct. Next question number 7. Here we have 4 figures in problem set. Triangle, circle and 2 lines. Triangle, circle, 2 lines. Triangle, circle, 2 lines. Triangle, circle, 2 lines. Okay, symbols are same but positions are different. Okay, so next figure is comes to triangle. In first figure triangle position is middle. In second figure triangle position is upper. Okay, upward. Next figure, in figure C triangle position is middle position. In figure D triangle position is upper. So next figure is triangle position, middle position. Okay, here triangle position is middle upper. So next position is middle. Okay, next comes to circle. From A to B it moves anti-clockwise direction 1 step. Okay, the position is here. Okay, next it moves from B to C anti-clockwise direction 1 step. Okay, next from C to D it moves 1 step anti-clockwise, so position is here. So next figure circle position is 1 step anti-clockwise direction. Okay, corner position upward, so circle is here. Next comes to lines. From A to B line position, A to B line position is anti-clockwise direction 1 step. Okay, so position is here. Next 1 step anti-clockwise here. From C to D 1 step, so position is here. Okay, so next figure is it moves anti-clockwise direction 1 step, so position is here. Big line, small line. Okay, see options. Option 5 is correct.